you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Kdotcouture, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys all of the tea on this bomb T-part unit from Unice hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I install this wig and getting the tea on this wig, stay tuned. So getting right into this video, like I stated earlier, this wig is from Unice hair. So I'm going to give you guys a little quick unboxing. So inside of the bag, I got a wig cap per usual. Most companies do send wig caps. I also received a pair of lashes and a couple other little goodies in this little satin bag that they sent me. So first up, I got some lashes. These are actually the good kind of lashes, not the like synthetic cheap kind that they usually send sometimes, some companies send. I also got some clips. I am a clip fanatic, so I absolutely love that. Next, I got this red bandana. Like, Unice, let me find out. So yeah, they sent me that nice red scarf. Rather than a bandana, it's more so a scarf with bandana prints. And then, of course, you have your wig on the inside. So this is what the wig looks like in the packaging. And then you have your styrofoam and your net. So this is what it looks like once you take it out of the bag. You have your styrofoam on the inside, keeping the shape of the lace. And then you also have your net. So once I take those off, you guys can see the true color of this unit, which I absolutely love. Literally, like, I have no complaints as far as this wig. It didn't shed or anything like that. This, like I said, is a T-part wig. So that means that it goes back in the middle and then it just has the lace on the side. So even when this comes time to pluck this wig, you really can't pluck much on the edges because it's literally like 1 inch or like 1 centimeter of lace on the sides. So on the inside, we have 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 on the bottom, and we also have those adjustable bands. Getting right into the install. So first, you guys know I'm doing my bald cap method. So I'm just pushing my edges back, and I'm going to cut the ears out of my stocking cap. Once that's done, I'm going to do my first layer of Got2b spray. As you guys know, I just do little sprays and then rub it in. You guys don't need a whole lot. And then once that's done, I'm going to do my second layer of Got2b spray. So once that second layer is dry, it is time to go ahead and cut that cap. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just cutting my cap off, and then I'm going to use my makeup brush, and I'm going to just take the excess makeup from me doing my makeup and just get that all over the stocking cap. So you guys, for glue today, I'm using the Diddy Hair Stuck Up Glue. I was pleasantly surprised. I must say this is going to be my new go-to glue for my lace, because when I say the hold is serious, like, it is serious. I love how fast this glue dried, and it was just like, I don't know, it's just different. Like, if you are a person who tries different glues, this is definitely like one of the high-end glues. I'm not really sure how much it costs, but I absolutely love this glue. Ghost Bond could never. Okay, so yeah. So like I said, it was my first time using this glue, so I went by the directions. The directions said to use 2 to 3 layers. I'm just going to do 2 because I'm not really sure how like strong of a hold there was. So I only did 2 layers, and I'm glad I did, because 3 layers I would have really, like, I could literally like pull my lace and it doesn't go anywhere. So yeah, really all you needed was those 2 layers. Alright you guys, so now this is the fun part. So right now I'm just taking my comb and I'm just pressing the lace into the glue. Yeah, like, this wig melted so crazy. Like, it just, like, you guys are gonna see, but it's just like, the lace on this wig is so good. Like, it's such a good lace. It literally matched my skin tone perfectly. I didn't even have to really add no makeup to it. Like, before makeup, it was perfect. So now I'm just putting on my elastic band. I'm gonna let that sit for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to finish this install. And we're back. So now I'm just taking off the elastic band, and as you guys can see, it is looking nice and melted. So now I'm just going to take my scissors, cut it up to the middle, and take my razor comb and cut that excess lace off. So luckily this lace melted so good with my skin, I didn't even have to do baby hairs. I feel like baby hairs are a little harder to do on T-part wigs because you literally have a little tiny bit of space. Like, you don't even have that much space to even make baby hairs. But look at the melt. Like, impeccable, truly. So now I'm taking that makeup brush and just going over the front of the lace just to make that further blend in with my skin. And now I'm just doing a little bit of styling. I'm going to hot comb that down. You want to make sure that you like mold your wig to be exactly how you like it. So me personally, I always do the hot comb. I always do the wax stick. Like, those are just essentials. In my frontal book, in my lace book, mousse, a good lace glue, some wax, and a hot comb is really like what you need, because look, you want to look like this, right? Yeah, it's giving scalp. So now I'm just going to take some concealer on a flat angle brush, and I'm going to take that down the middle of my wig just to make that part look a little bit more defined. I do this on all my units, whether it's a side part, a middle part, or whatever part. I always do this. I just think it adds, you know, a little definition, makes it look a little bit more crisp. So I will always recommend doing this. But make sure you like tap it through once you're done, because you don't want to be looking all makeup-y. So yeah, but look at the blend. Like, oh my gosh, guys, this lace was so good. All right, so now I'm going to continue to mold my unit, guys. But look at the color though. Like, look at the color though. Yo, if you follow me, if you're subscribed to me, you guys know I love a good pre-colored unit. I do not color hair. I hate coloring hair myself. So whenever I could get my hands on a unit that's already colored, you got me on that, because that's what I need. I can't do the bleach and do all it. Like, it's a bit much. So now I'm taking my wax stick and I'm just molding that down. I'm doing my whole part, and then I'm also going to do my edges. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and beat my face, do my makeup a little bit, and then I will be back. All right, so this is what it's giving. Clickety clack, the Betty is back. Girl, what? Like, it's really the color for me. Like, it is the color for me. And I like wild hair like this. Like, it's curly hair, so of course I'm gonna go wet it, but I love that wild look. Like, I love that. So now I'm just taking that Erica J wax stick, and I'm just touching it up on my edges, so that, you know, I don't know, I like for my edges to kind of go back and the front to go down, you know, just a couple little details that I like to do. So that's what I'm doing right here. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm feeling myself OD. Like, I love the color of this hair. Like, it's just so good. It is a true 24-inch. I don't think that they skimped on any of the inches. Like, it's all there. Like, the girl's looking good. The girl's looking TikTok ready, real ready. Like, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. The same name here at Kdotcouture. Yeah, check it out. It's giving Mufasa, and I love that. But I'm about to go wet this hair so that you guys can get the full gist of it, and I will be back. But look at the color though. Oh my god, it's so bad. And I'm back, and I'm giving video girl from the 90s, very much so wet and wavy. It's giving. I absolutely love it. Like, it's giving Ashanti, Rain on Me. Like, it's giving all that. I love this unit. So freaking cute. Like, as you guys can see, I can't even stop smiling. Like, this unit is just so cute. All right, you guys, well, that is about it for this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Thank you so much, Unice Hair, for sending me this super cute unit. Make sure you guys check the description box. I will have all the information for this unit in the description box. I will also have the links for my Instagram in the description box. Make sure you guys follow me. Make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. We almost at 100K. And that's all it is, you guys. Until next time, stay positive and be blessed.